Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Now, in news overseas, the Chicago rapper Vic Mensa got censored last night at the BET Hip Hop Awards. The much-anticipated rap verse surrounding Vic Mensa calling out late rapper XXXTentacion as an abuser was noticeably absent. The controversial rap was first leaked during the live taping of Vic Mensa's BET Awards cypher in Miami recently. XXXTentacion's fans were in an outrage, especially because X's mom Cleopatra Bernard was in the audience. Vic Mensa has since apologized to her, but holds no regret in dissing her son, whom he calls a domestic abuser.
Recently, I did a freestyle for the BET Awards cypher addressing and condemning rappers who unabashedly abuse women. It was pre-recorded weeks ago, and I had no idea a grieving mother would be in the audience to honor her lost son. I never intended to disrespect her. However, I vehemently reject the trend in hip-hop of championing abusers, and I will not hold my tongue about it.
Last night, XXXTentacion was the recipient of the BET Best New Hip Hop Artist Award. Meanwhile, at the award show, fans were treated to powerhouse performances from top acts including T.I., Cardi B, YG and A$AP Rocky, Lil Pump, Gucci Mane, and new acts like Lil Baby, Gunna, and Yella Beezy. Rapper Cardi B, who received 10 nominations, was the night's big winner, walking away with the Best Featured Verse Award for her bar on the track Motorsport. It's Migos featuring Nicki Minaj and Cardi B, Made You Look Hip Hop Style Award, Hustle of the Year Award, and the MVP of the Year Award. Though Drake led the nominees with 11 nods, he only won one. For Hot Ticket performer, Lil Wayne, who just released his album The Carter 5, was honored with the I Am Hip Hop Award. Childish Gambino won the Best Hip Hop Video Award and the Impact Track Award for This Is America. The Carters won awards for the Album of the Year, Best Collab, Duo or Group, and Single of the Year. Video Director of the Year Award went to Karina Evans, Producer of the Year went to Pharrell Williams, whilst Lyricist of the Year went to Kendrick Lamar. Now locally, music producer Russian has achieved platinum status for his top-selling song, Pablo, by Italian rapper Ferre Basta. Music sales of over 50,000 in Italy is the mark for platinum. Released earlier this year, Pablo is produced by the Kingston-born Russian, released on his Head Concussion label and distributed by Johnny Wanda Distribution. The official video for Pablo has so far accumulated over 22 million streams on Spotify and over 24 million views on YouTube. The official Pablo remix was released this month, and the Latin-inspired track features verses from big-name acts like Rich the Kid, Lil Baby, and Moneybagg Yo, with a bilingual verse from Ebasta over infectious horns and piano. Russian is best known for producing hit songs including Good Girl, Gone Bad by Conscience and Taurus Riley, Pull Up to Me Bumper by Jacob and Conscience, and Straight Jeans and Fitted, his collaboration with Vybz Kartel. In 2014, Russian produced Passion Wine featuring Sean Paul and Puerto Rican singer Farruko, which was certified platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America. Congrats, Russian. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.